everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Teams login's not working. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Teams if you can't log in on your Windows PC or laptop. So first, make sure your internet connection is stable. So go to the bottom and click the Wi-Fi icon and click the Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection is stable. So if your connection is low or keeps disconnecting, Teams may fail to sign in. So you can also turn this off for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on, open Teams again and see if that works. Next, double check that you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, reset it and try signing in again. If the issue continues, completely close Microsoft Teams. So you can right click the Teams icon in the system tray and select Quit Teams. Then reopen the app again. So search for Teams, press enter. So wait for it to load and see if that works. Now, if you're using a work or a school account, make sure your organization has not blocked your account or requires additional verification, such as multi factor authentication. Also, check for updates. So, open Teams, then click the three dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Check for updates. So, installing the latest version can resolve login problems caused by bugs. If none of these steps work, you can uninstall Microsoft Teams. You can restart your computer and install the latest version before trying to sign in again. And that's how to fix Microsoft Teams login not working on your PC. Thank you for watching.